our lesson for today. But before we start, let's have a review. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Let's go to shapes. This is circle. This is triangle. This is square. This is rectangle. This is oval. This is star. Let's go to colors. It's white. It's pink. It's purple. It's blue. It's orange. It's green. It's black. Okay, so let's review. It's a bed. It's a bed. It's a bookcase. It's a toy box. It's a lamp. It's hot. It's pick up. It's a sofa. It's a TV. Clean. Sweat. Wash. Mop. Okay, let's have our lesson for today. Where is the ball? It is under the table. It is under the table. This is a big sofa. This is a small sofa. This is a big TV. This is a small TV. This is a big lamp. This is a small lamp. That's our lesson. Goodbye.